Maintaining a perfect lawn takes time, water, and constant effort. Mowing, fertilizing, and reseeding never really end. For many gardens, grass is not the best solution. In this video, you'll discover low-maintenance plants that replace grass, reduce upkeep, and still keep your garden looking full and green. Creeping thyme is one of the most popular grass alternatives. It stays low, spreads evenly, and requires very little care. This plant thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. It also releases a pleasant scent when walked on. Clover creates a soft, green surface similar to grass. It improves soil health by adding nitrogen naturally. Clover requires less mowing and watering than traditional lawns. It performs well in a wide range of conditions. Mondo grass offers a clean and uniform appearance. It grows slowly and requires minimal trimming. This plant works well in shaded areas where turf grass struggles. It is commonly used in low-maintenance landscapes. Sedum is ideal for sunny and dry areas. Its thick foliage covers soil and prevents erosion. This plant requires very little water once established. It works well for slopes and poor soil conditions. Ajuga spreads steadily and fills space quickly. It performs best in partial shade. This plant adds color and texture while reducing maintenance. Occasional trimming keeps it tidy. Dwarf mondo grass stays compact and neat. It requires minimal care and no regular mowing. This plant is ideal for small lawns and pathways. It creates a clean, modern look. Creeping jenny spreads quickly and fills empty soil. It thrives in moist areas and partial shade. This plant is useful for replacing grass in difficult spots. Its bright foliage adds visual interest. Replacing grass can dramatically reduce garden maintenance. The right plants save time, water, and effort year after year. For ground cover plants that fill empty spaces, watch the video linked on screen.